In this tutorial, we look at an update to Midjourney. With the new Describe Image feature, Midjourney makes it possible for users to analyze images in order to derive the corresponding prompt. I'll show you exactly how this works on the Midjourney website in a moment. First, I'll take a quick detour via the ChatGPT website. You are probably already familiar with the new GPT-4o with scheduled tasks function. With this, OpenAI promises its users the possibility to give ChatGPT an instruction that provides daily information on a topic. In my example, I created the task, "Tell me daily at 10 a.m. about the latest Midjourney updates." When I was working in Midjourney yesterday, I noticed just such an update, the Describe Image function. I was therefore all the more surprised the next morning that ChatGPT did not inform me about this. The latest message says, as of January 25th, 2025, there have been no new updates from Midjourney. Well, that's not true. What is interesting now is what this non-information is due to. Presumably the web search needs to be indexed again. That's just a quick side note. Now on to the Midjourney website. With the new function, Midjourney aims to support all those who, quote, can't find the right words to turn an image into a prompt. This means, if you find it difficult to prompt, and you are not necessarily able to put your thoughts into prompt-compliant wording, then this feature should help. I would therefore like to take the opportunity with this tutorial and show you 5 ways, actually there are only 3, to a good prompt. So let's start at the beginning. I've written the text concept for these 3 images, kitten, Joan of Arc and sloth, in good old fashion. On the right, you can always see the respective prompt for these 3 images. They are quite different in length and contain different content information and parameters. Let's now test together how the new feature, which is basically the other way round, from image to prompt, works with Midjourney. In short, you take a finished image and let Midjourney describe it. What exactly do you have to do? Go to a picture of your choice, for example this kitten here, and click on it with the right mouse button. As you can see, a context navigation opens, which enables the new Describe Image function. You can do this for every single image. If we now click on the Describe Image button, Midjourney starts its image analysis and creates various derived concepts for you. If we take a closer look, we can see that 4 different prompt suggestions are prepared for each image. These differ greatly in terms of content and length. You can trigger individual images using the Use Prompt button. If you want to use all prompts, simply select Run All Prompts on the far right. Of course, the same also applies to the Joan of Arc motif. And there are also 4 suggestions for the third example, sloth. One of them is very short, the third is extremely long. For demonstration purposes, I have used all 12 prompts, selected the most suitable from each set of 4, and juxtaposed them. You can also see the original image in the middle, from which the prompt suggestions were derived. This gives us a good comparison. We can see immediately what the image analysis has produced. I have to say that the new suggestions differ slightly from the original image. In the picture of Joan of Arc, it is also noticeable that image content appears that was not included in the original. For example, the red cloak. I have taken the liberty of marking the best picture accordingly. If one of the new images was of equal value, it gets the equal seal. There are also good images for the sloth, but it seems that it is difficult or even impossible to create congruent images. That was the first option with Midjourney. The second way is a little more hidden. You have to click on the Edit button, i.e. the external image editor, in the navigation on the left. In the next step, you then have the option of uploading an image of your choice via Edit Uploaded Image. I've already done this so that we don't waste any time here. You can see the 3 individual images here in the external image editor. On the left, there is the Suggest Prompt button. As we know from previous activities, Midjourney should now write a suitable prompt for the image provided in this way, but it does not do this. Presumably, Midjourney is going to rebuild the user interface, probably also the editor, in version 7. Therefore, the function actually exists, but it is not executable. If we now look at the third way to a good prompt, we have to leave the Midjourney website, our destination, ChatGPT. Simply upload the image of your choice, created with Midjourney, self-painted or photographed, and give ChatGPT the instruction, "Can you please analyze this image and write a detailed Midjourney prompt for me to reproduce a similar image?" ChatGPT will then generate a suitable prompt for each image. I did this for all 3 images and created the following results for Midjourney. First, the kitten. Now the results for Joan of Arc. And finally, the sloth, the adventurer on a ship. These are the results. The fourth way to a good prompt is similar to ChatGPT, but now via Claude.ai. Again, simply take the desired image, upload it, and have it analysed. The prompt is somewhat more detailed here than with ChatGPT. Surprisingly, however, Claude.ai suggests a prompt for version 6 of Midjourney, i.e., not the latest version. Because it corresponds to the actual prompt proposal, I have left it in version 6 for the time being, in order to test the entire process with realistic parameters. Again, the realization for Joan of Arc. The great thing about Claude.ai, additional parameters such as stylize, quality, or style raw are added here. Of course, the sloth should not be missing. You can see the result here. When we talk about 5 ways, the 5th way should of course not be missing. But this one is quite trivial. Simply set up a concept yourself and, with a little experience, write a suitable prompt. Of course, this is a bit more strenuous and requires try and error. But one thing was clearly noticeable in the previous image comparisons. Not a single prompt suggestion produced a better image than the original. When you are modelling the scene yourself, you can capture every lighting situation and every little detail yourself, because you have imagined every detail beforehand. Sometimes the manual way is better than an automated result, whether via Midjourney, ChatGPT, or Claude.ai. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI, now you know.